Hi guys, welcome to Bay. And so like I promised, I'm doing the hair care empties video. This is a part 2 of the empties video. So all the empties that I have is mostly like hair care or like bath and body. So let's get started with the video. And the first product that I want to talk about is this one. This is the N-Livin Natural Fruit Extracts Conditioner and the variant coconut and vanilla. And this is like the best co-wash conditioner that you can get in India for a budget. Co-wash means washing your hair with a conditioner instead of shampoo. I do that between shampooing. You can do that co-washing technique for any hair. Usually it's preferred for curly hair people. This is part of the CG friendly routine, but I would say you can try this, because for people who are suffering with dry and frizzy hair and dry scalp, this co-washing technique helps a lot. And out of this, this is the best conditioner that you can get, which you can use for co-wash. It is a really amazing slip. It refreshes your scalp, and I just love this. I emptied this. This is like the 5th or 10th, no 7 10 bottle, I don't know, 10th bottle I guess. I've been using since past 2 years, and I already have 2 backups of this and another variant. So that should tell you how much I love this. Highly recommend this one. This has parabens in it, but parabens are water soluble, so you are anyway washing it off, it's not gonna stay. But if you are into that, you don't want to use anything with parabens, keep that in mind. Otherwise, even I am trying for such products, but I have not found any conditioner that can compete with this one when it comes to co-wash. I just love this one. This is the most comfortable conditioners. Extremely like that way. This variant I usually use in winter because it has that coconut, a warm fragrance. I use the what do you say this? That was, I think, cranberry something. They have a variant in raspberry. Yeah, raspberry. I use that for the summer. It refreshes the hair nicely. It just takes the grease out and refreshes the scalp nicely. It doesn't do anything apart, not much conditioning on the hair for if you belong to very curly hair types, because curly hair need lot of moisture. But that definitely no. But you can use this, like I said, as a co-wash conditioner, very budget friendly. You get like 400 ml, I think. This is 400 ml, and this retails around for, I think, 399, 369 and 349, I think, on Amazon. It is always on discount, and I will definitely link the product links, everything with the price range and everything in the description box below. You can check this out. Highly recommend. Like I said, I am on my 10th bottle, that should tell you. And coming again in competition with that, we have the next product. This is the Revlon Frex with Panthenol bodybuilding protein conditioner. Now this is a very good conditioner. Again, I use this only for co-wash purpose. Both of them I use them only for co-wash, not for the actual conditioning part. But I have very low porous hair, so external protein application doesn't help me with anything, especially coming to my hair. So in that matter, I prefer this one over this. It softens quite a lot my hair, but this actually, since it's protein conditioner, usually when you are low porous hair, you have low porous hair and you use protein on top, it's gonna make your hair even drier. So because of that, I don't recommend this one. But if you belong to straight hair and you want to have a little protein boost to the hair externally now and then, you can definitely check this one out. Only because I have low porous hair, I don't like this. Otherwise, this is a really good conditioner. And again, one more conditioner that I have is this one. This is the Himalayan Organics Banana Conditioner, and I absolutely love this one for the moisturization that it provides. It's like empty, but I already have a backup. I use that tea tree variant for the dandruff part. Oh, I'll make a separate video on dandruff altogether. I'm not gonna talk too much. But oh my god, this is a budget friendly, very natural plant-based ingredients, no parabens, no silicons, very very budget friendly also. You always get it on discount. This is 300 ml. I think I got it for like 500 or something the price. I will definitely, like I said, put it in the description box below. Oh my god, I love this one. Like, this is one of the most moisturizing banana conditioners I've used. And like I said, CG friendly. This is a CG friendly product, so keep that in mind. Meaning, CG friendly products usually have good alcohols, moisturizing alcohols, no sulfate, no paraben. Not paraben is still fine, but no sulfate and no silicone. Silicones is a huge no for curly hair, and I personally don't like silicones. Even before I discovered CG friendly routine, CG friendly routine has been a rage only in the last 2-3 years. Even before that, I didn't like any kind of silicone based products on my hair personally. I don't know, they never worked for me, so that, I guess that was a sign or something. But yeah, highly recommend you check this whole range out. They have amazing conditioners. This one is a definitely amazing conditioner for dry hair. Do check it out. And I really like the treaty variant. I didn't empty it, but it's a good conditioner too. Now we have proper, like, we have come to the end of hair care almost. I have 2 more products for you to people in hair care, and this is this one. Another hit for me from Nat Habit. This is the fresh conditioning methi gel in the variant chamomile. And I use this every day throughout the summer for my scalp refreshing purpose. This is an amazing jar, like, mist, you can say, hair mist. Very hair friendly. It in, like, you spray it, let it be let it sit for like half an hour or something, 1 hour, like, meanwhile it just dries out, and then you style your hair. You will see a lot of difference in your hair. And even the smell, oh my god, so it just smells like shikakai. And this particular smell is very nostalgic for me because it reminds me of my grandma a lot, because we used to have one powder in my grandma's place, which we used to use when we were very small kids, for my hair, for our hair and all, and it smells exactly the same. It has, of course, the chamomile smell also, but oh, I just love the smell. Definitely check the other variants out. I use the tea tree one. I am using the tea tree one for the winter season because I do get dandruff, and that has helped me a lot in the dandruff part. I will, like I said, I will do a entirely separate video on dandruff and what are the products I use. And this is a really good hair care product, but this is only a shelf life of 2 months. I've already talked about Nat Habit. The Rose Toner also has only shelf life of 1 month. They're very natural products, so you have to, like, keep that in mind when you're purchasing this. Make sure you include it in your daily routine. Any kind of hair can use this and get amazing hair on everyday basis. This because it has shikaka, it also tackles slight greasiness. I will actually, I'm thinking I will do a comparison with a proper dry shampoo and this one and see if that works. I don't know if it works. I'll definitely let you know. That is gonna be a huge revelation for us. But yeah, anyways, definitely and highly recommend. I'm actually loving the products in hair care more than the skin care because I'm actually recommending more to you people. And yeah, definitely check this one out. And the last, I wouldn't call it last but one, the product, actually I have lost the label on this. Is in a very horrible condition, I have to say, and I have not actually emptied it, you can see, but I'm not going to use this. This is the Aryan Veda. I'll put a link in the description box below. This is the Aryan Veda Argan Oil Serum, purely Argan Oil Serum. Oh, I belong to curly hair, but I love good moisturizing serums, but this is like oil. Like, I use it for, how do I say this? I use this before the co-wash so that I have some oil on me. It's that oily. It's not a serum, it's oil. And yeah, huge no. I did not enjoy this product at all. And if you're looking for a normal, nice smoothing serum, no, this is not it. You can use this like a pre-shampoo or oiling thing. It's that greasy. I mean, one pump, and I have like mid-length hair. Even with curls, mid-length hair, it's so greasy, so greasy. It just clogged my scalp pores so badly. I got so much of dry patches and dandruff because of this. So no, I'm not gonna use this anymore. I got other products to use, better ones. This is going to trash. Will not recommend for curly hair or any hair for that matter. So yeah, no. Another product I have, and this is probably the last hair care that I have, I think. Yeah, hair care empty. This is the only last product in that one. This is the Juicy Chemistry Chili, Horsetail and Black Seed oil. While this is an amazing oil, this does work for the hair fall and everything, but ever since we have discovered Indulekha, the hair oil, this is like taken a back seat, and like this is a very small bottle, quite pricey for the bottle, and Indulekha I've seen better work, better result on my hair and even my husband's hair. This I got from my husband, but it didn't do much. But Indulekha I've seen like a lot of more results, and that is much cheaper. And yeah, so I don't know, like you can, like I'm not saying this is a bad product, but there is a product that is cheaper and faster, I guess. Yeah, so no, I'm not gonna repurchase this one. Would I recommend if you want to and you want to try chili oil on your scalp? Go ahead. With that, we have finished the hair care, and now I have only two products in body washes. I actually do a lot of body. I use a lot of body washes, but empties I have only two. I'm gonna definitely do more. I actually threw out a lot of bottles, so unfortunately I don't have. But one is a huge hit, one is a huge dud. Yeah, so the body washes, one is a huge hit and one was a huge dud. And let's talk about the dud first. And this is the again Azafran Organics mineral rich rejuvenating body wash. Smells horrible, didn't do anything. It's not moisturizing, neither it is drying, didn't do, like I said, didn't do anything. Smells horrible. There is fragrance. They mentioned there is fragrance. I can't see any fragrance. It has that pungent chemical smell. Again, pricey for the quantity that you get. This didn't even last on me for like 1 month also. I mean, I use only very little, but it doesn't like I'm not a very superb lather person. It's okay if it doesn't lather as long as it works, but it didn't do anything. So yeah, no. And the final product that I have for this video is this one. This is the Petal Fresh Softening Bath and Shower Gel in the variant Rose and Honeysuckle. And oh, look at that, this is a huge bottle, and this is like 475 ml, and I think the price. Okay, so this is the Petal Fresh Softening Bath and Shower Gel in the variant Rose and Honeysuckle. Oh my god, this is the best like budget friendly like body wash that you can get. I absolutely loved and using this. This smells like my favorite flower of all time. I love plumeria, the white ones that you get, white with 5 petals, the yellow center, and I love those flowers. And this smells almost, I have never smelled anything that is as close as this one to plumeria. Plumeria has a slight citrusy edge to it. This doesn't have. It's like more soft and sweet. But apart from that, the smell is even apart from that, it is incredibly enjoyable. I just love the smell. It's a huge bottle. You will like get almost 500 ml, half a liter, and quite budget friendly. I think it was around 500 rupee, 500 or I think 419, 414 or something. It was definitely below 500, and it has a huge list of no's, and I love that. Completely plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, no paraben, no phthalate, no GMOs, no gluten, no colors, no sulfates, no harsh preservatives, completely plant-based ingredients. And what more you want? I mean, this is probably the best of the lot that I have done today. This is highly recommend you check the other variants out. This definitely doesn't dry. It's very moisturizing body wash. I absolutely loved. and I cannot wait to get more of them. I mean, I don't know why even I stopped. It's like I cannot rave enough about this. Please get this one. Yeah, please get this one. And with that, I've finished the entire skincare and hair care empties video series. It was only 2, but still series. And yeah, I hope you like the description that I gave and the products that I've shown. If you have any doubts, anything you want to ask me, please do comment in the comment section below. And if you love the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully the video on dandruff. Or if you have any particular video request from me, I can do cosmetic ones also, like reviews. I do have then almost in the entire Mars Cosmetics range. Let me know if you want a video on that. I will definitely do. And I have few makeup that I bought recently. If you want me to do a separate videos, let me know that also. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.